In this video, I'll show you how to connect your HubSpot account to send automatic SMS, WhatsApp, voice and RCS messages the moment a new contact, company, deal, ticket or custom record is created. No code and nothing to install from the HubSpot marketplace. Before we connect, let's be clear about exactly what this integration can see and do. Because you're about to see a HubSpot permission screen and we want you to know exactly what you're approving. When you click connect, HubSpot will ask you to approve, read and write access to a few object types: contacts, companies, deals, and any custom objects on your portal, plus the schemas. So our drop downs can show you the real property names, like which field holds a phone number. Here's the important part. We do not store a copy of your CRM data on our servers. We only read a record at the exact moment it is created to send that one message. We don't import, copy, or cache your contacts, companies, or deals in bulk. And we only ever touch the object you explicitly connect below. Every other object in your HubSpot portal stays completely invisible to us. The only thing that ever gets logged on our side is a record of a message actually being sent. So a contact only shows up in your recent activity log here after a real SMS, WhatsApp, voice or RCS message has gone out to them. Let's connect. Click Connect HubSpot here. You will be taken to HubSpot's own login page. This is HubSpot's site, not ours. So your password never passes through us. Log in if you haven't already. Then you will see HubSpot's permission screen. These are exactly the permissions we just talked about. Click accept. And you're connected. Now let's set up your first automation. Click connect an object. First, pick which HubSpot object you want to automate: contacts, companies, deals, tickets, or a custom object on your portal. I'll pick contacts for this example. Next, tell us which field in this object holds the mobile number. This is how we know whom to message. This dropdown is pulled live from your actual HubSpot property list. So pick whichever field your team actually uses for phone numbers. Now let's turn on SMS. Click this toggle and the card opens up. Pick your sender ID. This is the ID your SMS will appear to come from. You can optionally pick a safe template to autofill the message or just type your own. Choose text or Unicode depending on whether you need special characters or emojis. For the message itself, you can use placeholders in curly braces, like first name or company name, and we'll automatically fill those in from the actual records data when the message sends. Click into the field picker dropdown above the template box. Pick a field and hit insert to add it without typing it by hand. That's it for SMS. Every message we send also automatically posts a note back onto that record in HubSpot once you know it was delivered. You don't need to set up any custom field for that. It is completely automatic. Now for WhatsApp. Turn this on and pick one of your already approved WhatsApp templates from this dropdown. Only templates that are already approved by WhatsApp will show up here. So there's no risk of picking something that might get rejected. Once you pick a template, we automatically show you every variable slot the template needs, like 1, 2, and so on. Let you map each one to a real field from your HubSpot object. Just pick which property should fill each slot. For voice, it's the simplest one. Just pick which audio clip from your voice library should play when we call the new records number. RCS works like WhatsApp. Pick your approved RCS bot, then pick an approved template. Same as before. We'll show you the variable slots to map to your HubSpot fields. Now here's something useful. If a customer replies to your SMS, WhatsApp or RCS message, we can automatically find the matching record in your HubSpot portal by phone number and post the reply as a note right on that record. So your sales team sees the whole conversation without ever leaving HubSpot. Turn on whichever one of these you want. If we can't find a matching record for an incoming reply, we simply skip it and don't create a new contact automatically. We never want to surprise you with data appearing in your CRM you didn't expect. Once everything's set up the way you want, click connect at the bottom and you will see your new object listed in the object connections list, with each channel showing on or off. Now here's something really important before you test this. This automation only ever fires for genuinely new records created after you connect the object. If you already have existing contacts, companies, or deals sitting in HubSpot from before you connected, none of them will get a message. That's intentional. We don't want to suddenly blast your entire existing customer list the moment you turn this on. So to actually test this, don't go find an old contact and expect it to trigger. Instead, go into HubSpot and create a brand new record, a genuinely new contact with a real phone number so that you can check. Fill in the mobile field with the number, save it, and wait about a minute. I've just created a new test contact in HubSpot with my own number. Automations here check for new records about once a minute. So let's wait a few moments and check my phone. And there it is. The message came through. If we check back on our integration page, this send now shows up in our recent activity along with its delivery status. This is exactly what we meant earlier. This record only appeared here because a real message was sent to it. Nothing shows up before that. As you can see, I purposely added a WhatsApp template which was rejected by Meta and it did not go through. Hence, you don't see it in recent activity or logs. So that's the full setup. Connect your HubSpot account, pick an object, turn on whichever channels you need, and every new record from here on gets messaged automatically, with replies logged right back into HubSpot as notes. If you want to add more objects, say deals in addition to contacts, just click connect an object again and repeat these steps. If you have any questions, reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.